Alright, gonna work on a new project today. It's gonna be a small project, probably won't take very long. Um, Basically, I want to build an extension that will notify through Gmail if something happens on a web page. It's kind of a not a detailed explanation, but as this goes along, we'll see how it works out. So first thing I'm going to do is just follow this first extension guide and go from there. I'm doing the extension in Firefox because I eventually, hopefully, want to run it on a Linux server that doesn't have a desktop interface. Um, and I don't know if that's possible, but I think it's possible. And Firefox was a little bit easier for me to find and install on Ubuntu as opposed to Chrome or Chromium. I don't know. I just had to do a little bit more digging. And also, I think Firefox might be easier to uh, run with the extension without the um, desktop. So that's why I'm going with Firefox. But other than that, no reason really. Alright, article walks you through creating an extension start to finish. This will be a good one to test with too because I can clearly see if it's working. Um, I did get Firefox working on Linux and took a screenshot through the command line. I'll get to that later, but let's keep going with this. I guess I'll quickly talk about, let's see, a couple things with extensions. I want to have this extension eventually send a request through Gmail to send an email as a notification, basically. A couple options I looked at. One is background scripts. So the extension will be like mainly a content script that is watching for a change on a web page, and then that will basically send a message to the background script, and the background script will then um, make a request to like a local node server, or it could be just server anywhere, and that server will send the notification. But there's another option. It's called native messaging. I think you could maybe do this from a content script. And that would be instead of sending a message to the background script, you would send a message to the native messaging host. And that would be the node server that then sends the Gmail request. So a couple options there. I think the one I'm going to go with is background script. Seems a little bit easier to set up. But going back to this. Writing the extension, create a new directory. I'm going to start writing the extension on my Windows computer. Once I have it working, I will try it again on Linux. I want to make sure it works first on Windows. In a suitable location, create a new directory. Order extension. I don't think the folder name matters because I'm not doing, I didn't do what they suggested here. create a new file, manifest JSON. I could just grab this. I need to add Notepad++ on here. Just a little bit faster opening files when I'm quickly editing. Okay, that's done. Let's read it really quick. So there's a version, there's a name, description, icons, which you don't have, content scripts. So the content script is based on doing extensions before. It's been a while, but this will basically run a JavaScript file on a page when it matches this pattern or patterns. In this case, just one. Okay. Icons is optional. I'm actually gonna not have an icon because I don't care about that for this. It's just gonna be a local extension. Let's just get rid of it actually completely. I don't feel like making an icon. It's not a big deal. Just have to take a quick screenshot of something, but whatever. Alright, description is optional, icons optional, content scripts. Yeah, and it actually loads the script into the page too, which is cool. So it has access to everything on the page. Didn't find the mute button in time, sorry. In some situations, you need to specify an ID. If you do not need to specify an ID, or if you do need to specify an ID, do it there. Okay. It's fine. Skip all that. Finally, create a file called Boardify.js. Boardify.js. Oops. First, double check that you have the right files in place. Don't care about the icons. We're good. Installing. In Firefox, open the About Debugging. Click the Firefox option. Load temporary add-on. Just a second. Okay. General. Where is that? About debugging. Click this Firefox option. Load temporary extensions. Select any file in the extensions directory. Really? That's pretty cool. Let's go to desktop. Border extension. Any file. There it is. Okay. Testing. Now visit a page under that, and you should see a red border. Alright. Let's also visit a page not under that, so google.com test, and then here, so far nothing, but maybe we need to go here. Dang, dude, come on. Not working yet. What? That's annoying. Should see the red border around the page. No? It could be the name of the folder. I don't think so, but we'll do it. Oops. Does this matter? Yes, it does matter, actually. That's the problem. I had the wrong name. Not the folder, probably. Alright, let's try this again. About debugging. This Firefox, remove, load, desktop. Now let's try it. There it is, nice. If you go here, it should still be there. Okay, cool. Alright, this will be a good test to see if this works on Linux. So then we can take a screenshot and just see. So let's recreate that. It won't take very long. Okay. Don't know what happened there. All right. Nano. Just. Oops. Okay. And let's this on. One spacing. At some point I might want to connect this up. But for now, I don't care that much. Probably just should have tested it. Who cares, right? Who cares about the formatting? Alright, that looks good. Now we need to figure out how to get this to actually load. So let's try to figure that out. It's going to be different. Learn more about loading extensions. Use the command line for development. Check out WebEx, detecting temporary installation. Okay, WebEx, we need node or npm. Let's go with unit LTS, so this one. Wasn't there a copy? There we go. Okay. Oh. Cool. WebEx. Alright. What now? Testing out WebEx run. Seeding into extensions for directory and entering. Okay. Okay. Connection refused. Alright, think about this. Let's see if that helps. Oh. Okay. Thought I already had that set up. XVFB1. What? Alright, sudo reboot. Something happened. Do have to stop in about 20 minutes. Probably need to give this a little bit more time. Now it should be good. Yeah. Alright, so let's try that again. XVFB1. And then export. Firefox run in the background. What? Alright, let's see if this works. I have no idea. Um, Might be an issue. Sudo apt install, no. Was it webx run? Oh, I should probably do dash verbose. Alright, we're getting the same issue. Connecting to Firefox on port. Okay. Interesting. So we might need to actually build the thing. Let's see if we can figure that out. Packaging and publishing. During development, your extension will consist of a directory containing that. You need to zip these into a single file for uploading. Zip content. Self-distribution. Probably will need to do this, but really? Ooh. Unsigned extensions can be installed in the Developer Edition nightly and ESR versions after toggling. Definitely have to look more into how I'm going to do this. All this would be very easy with the interface. I just don't know how to do it through the command line yet, or through, editing files or whatever. Because I have to be able to do all of this stuff in here somehow. Not necessarily the packaging part, but at least the installing and then allowing unsigned add-ons. I could sign it. That wouldn't be a big deal. I just would rather not if I don't need to. Hmm. You also need one of these. Let's see. Firefox Developer Edition Linux. How about nightly? Hmm. Sudo apt list. Hmm. Not nightly. Alright, looks like this might do it. There's no better way, huh? It sucks. Yeah. Let's see what it says. This method is recommended. Or only distribute the ESR version. I wonder if it is the ESR version. What is ESR? Extended support release. Well, let's see. I don't think that's ESR version. Although it could be. XPI signatures required. Changing. From command line. User.js file. Really? Huh. Interesting. It's pretty cool. That is the way to do it. Alright, I'm gonna stop there. I'll look into that next time. I gotta get going. Thanks for watching.